If you're someone who don't like to see someone else armpit hair, please exit this video because I'm about to show you guys my armpits, and this is self-care talk. So I'm guessing if you're staying, you don't mind seeing someone else armpit hair. I don't shave because I get razor burn and it's just itchy whenever I use blade on my skin. So therefore I don't shave. Since I was 18, I have been doing Epilator. This is my Epilate machine. This is like the second machine I've gotten because I try to get the good ones so that they last for a very long time. This machine is more than 10 years. This particular one is more than 10 years and it's waterproof. It comes with different head. It comes with a brush. I change this brush every 3 to 6 months. You can get new ones. I change this brush. I have them in bulk because this is an old model. So when I bought it, I got the heads in bulk. So every 6 months I change the head. So it comes with exfoliation brush and it also comes with a trimming brush as well, but I don't really use this that much. I only use these two. So yeah, this is the machine from Brown. So I do Epilator at home. I like it because Epilator allows me to not bother about my armpit hair for a couple of months. Now that since I've been doing it now for a very long time, sometimes when I do Epilator, it will take me 2 to 3 months before ever the hair will grow. And you have to allow the hair to grow before ever I go in again to do Epilator. So if you want to know how I get my armpit hair from this to this, stay tuned. So what I do is I use baby powder. This is what I use from the Kruidvat because so that's to make the area a bit drier. This is like 3 months of me not epilating because I'm epilating, so I want the hair to grow because if the hair is tiny, the thing might wrap around your skin and it can be very painful. So I don't want that. So as you guys can see, I've done epilator here. See how it looks. I don't have any razor bump. My armpits is smooth and I like it. I don't use deo, so what I do to make sure I don't smell, I don't suffocate others, I do baking soda and lemon. That's what I do to exfoliate my armpits, and I use lemon. Sometimes I use the ordinary glycolic acid. I use it also as an underarm spray, but I don't do it as often because my skin is very sensitive. Okay, so this is my armpits. What I do, I just go in with the powder. So the surface is dry. Excuse the mess. After this one, I'm going to take showers. So yeah. And I go in with my epilate. I like to just pull my skin a bit. For someone, if it's your first time, it's painful. But I've been doing it for a very long time now. So I'm kind of like used to the pain. You have 2 settings. You have the first setting and then you got the second setting. So I start with the first setting and then later on I go to the second setting. Okay? I try to go like different. I go like this because the hair grows in different ways. It doesn't grow all the way up, all the way down. Sometimes it grows like this, and sometimes it grows like this, and sometimes it grows like this, and it comes down like this. So I just try to follow the natural pattern of the hair growth. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see that good. I don't know why I didn't really wear glasses. I don't know why I even kept my glasses. So now that everything has removed, I like to, this is how I just do it, yeah? I like to remove I like to remove this one, and I go in with this one so that if I have any tiny hair, it can actually remove it as well. Okay, yeah, so this is it. See how it looks clean. And this is also waterproof, so you can also do this underneath the shower if you like, but I like to just do it like this. And I also do the same thing when it comes to my leg. But as for my leg, I like to do it underneath the shower because the warmness of the water touching my skin just make it so nice. It just give me a really nice feeling. So I don't shave my leg, I just do epilator. Like I said, if it's your first time, you're gonna feel pain, but if it's something that you've been doing for a long time, you like it. When it comes to the bikini area, I like to do sugar wax, because I also don't like shaving. Shaving is just, it itches, it causes razor bump, and I just don't like the way it feels when you have a bikini on. Like for example, when you're going to the beach and you have bikini, and sometimes you know some bikinis are like just it can only cover a little space, so, and you have those razor bump. I don't really like it. So when it comes to the bikini area, I like to do sugar wax, and the rest of my body I just like to do an epilator, because I found this on the bikini areas pretty painful. I've tried it before a couple of times actually when I had no choice, but then I just like to do sugar wax. And sometimes sometimes I'm so lazy and I don't have the time to make my own sugar wax at home, so I will go in with this. I'll just bite my tongue and just hold on to the paint and just do epilator as quick as I can. But most of the time I like to do sugar wax. I don't shave because shaving causes razor bump. So yeah, this is how I get my armpit hair removed. And when I've done this like this, it's gonna take me like 3 months for the hair to grow. And like this, I'm not gonna do any baking soda and lemon scrub today, because of course the pores are opened, it's extremely sensitive. So maybe I'll give it 2 days and then I'll go in with some baking soda and lemon scrub. For the meantime, I'll just use the glycolic acid from the ordinary glycolic acid. I'll use it to wipe my armpits so that at least I don't go out there and suffocate people. Hope you all like this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.